Look, it's not the 1980s anymore. And if healthcare has evolved, then why are so many clinics still using such outdated approaches when it comes to helping people with things like neck pain, back pain, and other similar health problems? Hey there, my name is Dr. Chad Woolner. I'm a chiropractic physician and owner at Align Integrated Medical. And at Align, we use a modern team approach to help people get lasting relief from these types of issues. The problem is that far too many clinics out there focus on the what of people's problems. And if you're focusing on the what alone, naming and identifying what's going on, the best you can hope for is temporary symptom relief. We're more concerned with the why of the problems. If we can identify the underlying causes to your problems, we can help you fix them once and for all so that you can return to living a normal life. We do this by looking at 4 key areas of function. First, we look at alignment. By utilizing digital X-ray and digital posture assessments, we can look at the health and function of the spine. Second, we look at balance and stability. We use a digital balance assessment to quickly determine how well the brain is communicating with the body and the body back to the brain. We also look at the body's internal chemistry balance by ordering any necessary laboratory work. Third, we look at strength and coordination. By doing a full functional evaluation, we're able to determine areas that are overactive, underactive, or not firing properly. Fourth, we look at flexibility and quality of motion to determine the health of the joints. Once we've identified these underlying causes, we can help people fix these problems through a team approach we call fundamental medicine. By using the best of regenerative and functional medicine, chiropractic, progressive focused rehab, and massage therapy, we're able to help patients not just get temporary symptom relief, but fix their problems once and for all so they can get back to living a normal life. So if you're someone who's looking for real answers and lasting solutions, then give our office a call today to see if we can help you. We look forward to meeting you in person. We'll talk to you soon.